Hi, can we talk business today? We all focus on sales numbers, campaigns, big ideas. But there's one thing every business struggles with. Now, this is something nobody is actually talking about. The first challenge today is missed calls. Let's be honest. How many deals are slipping through because very few are picked up? Happens more than we like to admit, right? The next one, real time customer insights. How many calls are you getting? You have no idea. What are your customers actually saying? Are they satisfied or grieving? Did your team upsell them? With these insights, you are flying blind. The next thing that comes up is the customer is not just calling today. They are emailing, they are WhatsApping, they are texting, and if your platform cannot do all things together, well, there is a customer lost again. The next thing up is streamlining reports. In every business, we are chasing different kind of reports and everything at the same time from different systems, from different softwares. And by the time we put them all together, yeah, the customer is again lost because by the time you actually came into a solution or came into an outcome, the customer was already acquired by somebody else. Next is no AI powered insights. And here's what hurts most: call ins, and so does the conversation. Potential leads ghost you. But what about the underrated insights? What if you knew the customer felt after every call? What if AI could tell you every missed opportunity before you even noticed? That's where we come. At MCUBE, we fix this. From missed call alerts to AI powered post call analytics, real time dashboards, and omnichannel call handling. Everything on one smart cloud based platform. No cost, insights, no chaos. And if you're not listening to your conversation, you're losing more than you think. Let's change that. Check us out at mcube.com. Trust me, it's worth it.